In this video, we are going to learn how to add products. To add a product, let's first of all just get back to the dashboard because this is the screen you get to interact with when you launch Pyramid. To add a product, you click on this burger menu. It expands you all the modules you have in Pyramid. So first is in the products module, and you would see add products. So in this video, I'll be adding a single product. So we have different types of products. We have standard products, which is just the normal product that you stock up and it decreases in quantity as you are selling, and then you restock. A combo product is a product that is in a carton, while the digital products are products that are that are just softs, like musical video, like something you can download. Then a service just basically, as it is a service, it only has a price. While all these may have their cost price and selling price, the standard and the combo, the digital and then the service just only have a selling price. So I'll be adding a standard product, and then the product name will be, um, let's just say vegetable. Okay, let me use another name. Let's just say um, calculator. Okay, and Pyramid is very intelligent. As I typed vegetable oil, right? It was suggesting to me that vegetable oil already exists in the system. So, and then when I change to calculator, it says product name is valid, no product with such name found. So it helps you and then prevents you from adding products with the same name. It's just like a check. Now, this is the product code. For this code, you can easily input the barcode that came with your product, or you just generate one. So if I click on this, I can easily generate a barcode. It automatically adds it, or I intend to just give it a particular barcode, or I'm typing the barcode from the barcode that comes with the product, with this particular calculator from the pack. So the secondary name in the system, it likes to have another name. Maybe I just want to give it another name. It is not compulsory. It is voluntary. It's optional. So I want to call it adding machine. Then what is the weight? If you have the information about the weight, please go ahead and impute it. Otherwise, it's not compulsory. Leave this barcode symbology as code 128 as is. Then the brand, if for instance I'm adding this calculator, I need to have already added maybe Casio brand or another kind of brand or Sharp. So I already have that brand in the system. In another video, it already show you how to have your brand loaded in the system. So for this video, I'll pick this layer house. That is the brand. Then you want to choose the category. So another video also covered how to create different product categories. So in the calculator now, for instance, it belongs to stationery. So there will be a category that you would have created that is called stationery. So for this video, I'm just going to go ahead and pick products. Another video already showed you how to create categories for your products, how to create brands for your products. Then if you have a subcategory too, maybe under stationery or under products, it has a subcategory, you go ahead and select it. Now I'm moving on to units now. To units, the units of weight is, let's just say, gram or kilogram. You also have a section where you specify how you want the unit to be, and you can skip them if you are not using them for your product management. Now the cost price for this calculator now, it costs 800 naira from the market, and then I'll be selling it for 1,500 naira. Now this is promotion. Basically says, if for instance I am running a promo for it, what I will just need to do is to revisit the product and input the promo price. But for this video, I'm not running a promo. Another video will show you how a promo works. Moving on to the tax rate. Do you have tax included or there is no tax? If there is tax or VAT at 5%, it will be added to it. If it is 5%, it will be added to it, or whatever tax you are specifying. Of course, there is a section where you can define what percentage you want. But if you are simply not in line with imputing tax, just choose no tax, and I will choose that so I can move on. So the tax method is absolutely exclusive. Now, alert quantity. This section is for the system, for Pyramid, to notify me when the quantity of my calculator is getting to certain level. So I want the system to notify me when it's getting to maybe 5, we specify it. This is it. So now, in this section here, the warehouse quantity, this is how many do I have in my two shops. I have location A and then I have location B. So my calculator that is in location A is 20, and then the one I have at location B is also 30. So it implies that I have 50. And if I do not have any at location B, I will simply remove this 30 and then make everything here to be 50. Right, I can decide how many I have. Now, for the purpose of choosing or being able to identify calculator by my sales girl or sales representative, I can choose the image of my calculator. So I will just use um, this particular image for the purpose of this demo to show the image for the calculator. Now, what product details means is if I need to add a detail onto the invoice whenever anybody buys this calculator, let's say calculator, let's say for instance, if you buy the calculator, you are entitled to go on Sharp or Casio website and enter the code that you found there or stuff like that, and I need to pass the information to my customers. I will input it there. So anytime I'm raising an invoice, they will always see it, as well as the details too, also for the invoice. That's what is happening here. For the product details, if I need to describe it or stuff like that, this is valid for um, 3 years, or I need to inform them that they have a 3 years warranty or stuff like that. I will input it there. Now this supplier section is just to let the system know who usually supplies me for calculator. So I'll pick this, who is a supplier in the system, and then I am done. Let me take you over the process again. You choose the kind of product, the product type, you enter the product name. Pyramid alerts you if the product name already exists, so as to prevent double entry. You input the product code, which is the barcode of the product, or you can automatically generate barcodes by yourself. You have this slug automatically enters it by itself. It's just like AKA, also known as in the system. Then the secondary name for this product is adding machine. You can leave it blank if the product doesn't have a secondary name. The weight, if you have the information, you enter it. Otherwise, you can just leave it blank. It's just by entering a figure. No need of a unit. Leave the barcode symbology as code 128. The brand, you choose the brand. The category, you choose the category. If it belongs to a subcategory, you also make a choice of the subcategory. You input the units and the default unit sales and the default purchase unit sale. You enter the cost price and the selling price. If you are running a promo, you specify the promo price. In the tax rate section, if there is no tax, I just pick no tax. The tax method is exclusive. I'm not calculating tax for this video. Alert quantity is 5. Please, the system will notify me when calculator is getting to 5. That means I need to restock. And then I specify the quantity I have at my location, my branch. This is branch A and branch B. If I do not have, or I only have 2 in branch B, I will see it. Then I input the image so that my salesperson will be able to identify calculator when she sees it in the point of sale. I have the product details for the invoice to notify my customers that this calculator is valid for 3 years. I can choose my supplier who usually supply me this calculator as a product. And then when I'm done, I will click on add product. So the product is successfully added. This is the picture I selected in my system, and then this is the barcode and then the QR code. So you can see that the quantity that I have is 52, but I have 50 in location A and 2 in location B. My alert quantity is 5. The price I'm selling it is 1.5 and it cost me 800 naira. So it just gives me an overview of this. So you can see here too. This is what makes it 52. And as I am selling it on this product, it will be giving me how the flow is going, who bought it, and then the grand total and all of that. I'll be able to see. So this is just the product view when I've successfully had the product. That's it on how to add product onto Pyramid. Thank you.